If you're starting a YouTube channel, editing short videos, or creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or your business, choosing the right video editor makes all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best video editing tools in 2025, from beginner-friendly editors to full professional suites. Let's get started, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helps you. Number 5. Cyberlink PowerDirector. Starting with number 5, we have PowerDirector, one of the easiest video editors to learn. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners who want to make clean videos without learning complicated tools. It has drag-and-drop editing, templates, transitions, titles, and fast exporting, ideal for simple YouTube videos, vlogs, travel clips, or family videos. If you're just getting into video editing, PowerDirector is one of the best places to start. Number 4. Wondershare Filmora. Number 4 is Filmora, the perfect middle ground editor. It's more advanced than basic editors, yet much easier than pro software. You get clean effects, transitions, color tools, screen recording, motion tracking, everything a YouTuber needs. Filmora gives you professional-looking edits without the steep learning curve. Great for creators, small businesses, and anyone who wants more control but still wants editing to feel simple. Number 3. CapCut. At number 3, we have CapCut, the king of fast edits and social content. It's available on mobile, desktop, and web, and it's perfect for shorts, reels, TikTok, or quick YouTube videos. CapCut has auto captions, effects, templates, AI cutouts, AI audio cleaning, and one-click enhancements. If you want speed, simplicity, and ready-to-publish vertical videos, CapCut is unbeatable. It's the #1 tool for fast content creation in 2025. Number 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Number 2 goes to Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard. This is what filmmakers, professionals, and high-end YouTubers use. Premiere Pro gives you full control, multi-track editing, advanced color grading, effects, precise audio tools, and integration with After Effects for motion graphics. It's complex, but if you want cinematic quality and professional results, nothing beats Adobe Premiere Pro. Number 1. DaVinci Resolve. And at number 1, the best all-around editor of 2025 is DaVinci Resolve. Resolve combines 4 major tools into one: editing, color grading, audio post-production, and visual effects. The free version is incredibly powerful and can handle anything from YouTube videos to full-feature films. Its color grading tools are world-class, and its timeline is fast, modern, and intuitive. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Resolve gives you the most power for the best price, completely free. Final thoughts: the right editing tool depends on your goals. For beginners, PowerDirector for balanced editing, Filmora for fast social videos, CapCut for high-end editing, Premiere Pro for the best overall. DaVinci Resolve. Try them, see what fits your workflow, and start creating. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.